Hey, good evening from Storm Chaser Brian. Well, right now we're headed east on I-94. We're coming up on Waukesha. We started earlier today, returning rather from Jefferson. And let me just show you our rear-facing camera right now, what you can see on the interstate. Take a look there. A lot of very dry, cold snow dancing, drifting across the interstate. It's causing a little bit of a challenge for visibility, especially looking forward here. If you come up behind a larger vehicle, say a snowplow, for example, that's when it can be a little bit dangerous because that snow can kick up and create whiteout conditions. So if you are driving on the interstate or any road, be wary of that. We saw those conditions on some smaller rural roads as well earlier today, and here's what we had to look at. Throughout parts of rural Waukesha, Walworth, and Jefferson counties, gusting winds and drifting snow.
You'll go and you'll plow a section of street, and by the time you get back to your second pass, it's blowing right back over.
City of Jefferson Public Works foreman Andy Voight says main roads come first.
Making sure that the city is passable.
And hopefully by tomorrow morning, all the residential is clear too. But with more snowfall expected and high winds, challenges may persist. And you're helping the public. How can the public help you guys?
If you don't need to be out driving around, stay home, enjoy your family, turn the TV on, just stay off the roads. If you have parked cars on the road, park them in a driveway, give them in a city parking lot or a public parking area, and give us our room and some time to work.
If you do decide to drive, the National Weather Service and FEMA recommend some emergency items in the car, from water and snacks to a cell phone charger and blankets. Now, hey, we're in the Storm Chaser. This is a heavy vehicle with snow tires. We feel comfortable in these conditions right now, but even a vehicle like this has its limits. So if you don't feel comfortable, like Voight said, just don't drive. Consider the conditions before you set out. Carol?